Edo State Police Command don parade 48 people wey put body for the kili-kili tifi-tifi wey dey shele for the state. Commissioner of Police for Edo State, Johnson Kokumo, don salute the ogbonge role wey community policing dey play on top the yamayama and katakata wey dey shele for the state, as na im dem dey use take handle the gbege wey no come let am burst pass as e dey so. E tok dis one for Police Command Headquarters for Benin City as im dey parade 48 suspects wey get hand for inside the kiki, fighty-fighty, tifi-tifi, jaga-jaga plus katakata wey dey shele for the state. Kokumo yarn say dem gbab 18 prisoners wey escape from prisons for the state, 16 members for different cult groups wey get hand for inside the kiki wey dey shele for Benin City, plus 14 armed robbers.
We'll have 14 armed robbery suspects on parade, 16 suspects in connection with cultism. You will recall that in the last few days we have had series of clashes, inter-cult rivalry clashes, leading into maiming, wounding. We have been able to arrest 16 members of the various cult groups, and of course, as I said earlier, for us to have respite.
Inyan say belle no sweet am at all on top the kind gbege wey bad people dey cause for the state, and im go make sure say im collabo with im men to do better intelligence gathering wey go help dem comot all the yamayama wey dey shele for the state, make Edo people for fit get correct peace of mind.
We would need to effect the arrest of escapees from the 2 correctional centers. We have embarked on that, and we have a number of them with us here who were rearrested. We will process them appropriately. We have a total of 48 suspects to be paraded, exhibits recovered, 2 AK-47 rifles, 4 locally made guns, a Toyota Yaris saloon car, a Toyota SUV, and 21 cartridges.
Some of the bad people wey put body for court matter, jailbreak katakata plus police stations attack wey dem parade come talk as body dey do them, as everywhere don burst for their matter now.
Na one of my guy no sir, na him bring this gun come. See mo go find money. As we dey go now, we come collect one Sienna. We don collect one POS. As we dey drive dey go road now, we come see crowd. Some boys don first spoil the area. As we dey drive dey go now, all those who take stop us. That guy, my friend wey dey drive the motor, then he take who brake. As he take who brake for all those who are front and all those who are take who love. As we come down now, 4 area boys come begin dey beat us, dey join ground. They beat us, all those who are take carry us for their hand. No. That's my friend too, no sir. Now I get and I bring her come. Now 5 of us, now 4 of us they own. Now I run. Now I run leave you don't leave her for same motor. We don't come down before those who are called see the gun for same motor.
This one na the ogbonge information we carry come give you now on top inside Edo today. As Edo State Police Command don parade 48 people wey put body for the kili-kili tifi-tifi wey dey shele for the state. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge informate dey come sama una. My name na Oiza Aboriogun from Benin.